Hi guys, and welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Have you been thinking of starting an online business, but you're not able to think about how to start? Well, don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we're going to tell you how you can start an online business of your own, and it does not require a lot of exposure either. So keep watching until the end, as we're going to show you everything. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you will never miss any informative videos from our side. With that out of the way, let's begin with the video. In the whole pandemic situation, a lot of people have lost their daily jobs. While everyone is almost locked in their homes, this also comes with a shortage of money since you can't simply go out there and make money, right? So guess what comes to your service? It's an online business. So if you don't know much about it, and if you're thinking of starting one, keep watching. First of all, you need to decide on your products. Clearly, you have to decide what you're going to do in the field. Let me give you some examples. You can do drop shipping, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, print on demand, and drop service, among many other options. We have talked about all 5 of them in another video, so make sure to check out that video after this one. So once you have decided on what you want to do with your online business, you'll need to get some traction. Of course, you'll need to make an online presence first. You can do that by making a website. It generally requires a bit of investment since you have to pay for hosting and domain charges, but it's generally affordable. Once you have your website, you can opt for some social media platforms to get more traction. You can make a Facebook, TikTok, and even a YouTube account. In this way, you will be able to connect to more people. Remember, the purpose of these new accounts on social media is to advertise your products. On TikTok, you can make short videos, which are in trend, and you will surely catch some eyes. You can also opt for some advertisements, which are generally paid. This includes promotions on Facebook groups, which are related to your product, and some Google ads that will help as well. But again, this requires some investment, and you can completely ignore this if you don't want to invest money. The best part about going on social media is that you don't only get in the eyes of more people, that means potential buyers, but in the long run, you can also get monetized on these platforms. This is an additional income source, and if you do good enough, you will be generating more money than you can think about right now. Now your service needs to be unique. If you're just starting out, you need to make sure that you are offering something unique, and it has a demand in the market. It is even more important if you are offering something that is a physical product, so high demand, appealing products, and unique service is what you should be aiming for. Further, if you're in the initial stages of your business, you should try to undercut the competition. Let me elaborate a bit. We are going to consider drop service in this segment. Suppose you're selling a service for around $100, and you do not hold any experience whatsoever since you were just starting out. And the competition is doing the same job for $80, and they have more experience than you. Who do you think the client will choose? Will it be you with no experience and higher price, or the competition with all the perks? Clearly, it's going to be your opponent. So you can try a strategy called undercutting. You should offer the services at lower prices than the competition. This way, you will get more attention from the clients, and you will also get more experience. Finally, you'll get more connections, and since you will be able to make some loyal customers and clients who like to take your services in bulk, you can increase your prices down the road, since you will hold enough experience that you will deserve it. This is one reliable strategy, and it is used by many business owners. Well, this sums up today's video. I hope you got some knowledgeable facts and strategies that will help you start your own online business really soon. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon in the next one.